Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get the total length of multiple lines like this inside of your Revit project. So as you probably know, if you select them all and try to get the total length, you will see only the length parameter that varies, but there is no total length. So how you can get the total length of those lines in Revit. I will show you two methods. The first one works only for the model lines, so you can see these lines are my model lines. And only for the straight lines. It doesn't work for the curved lines. So if you go up here and select measure along an element and hover around the model line, and now with the tab, you tab select all the lines, click, and you will get the total length in here in the options bar of those lines. So this is super easy and quick and can help you if you have these conditions met. But if you do not have model lines, but you have a detail lines, so let's say that I will go with my DL shortcut, I will just draw some detail lines and I try to do the same. If I go here, you can see that it doesn't give me a selection. Here I can use a trick that I will select all of my detail lines. Now in the modify lines tab, here I have a convert lines button. This works to convert the lines between the model and detail lines. So I will just select it. Now they are a model line. I can go measure them with these two, tab select. I have a total measure, total length. And now I can go and convert them back to my detail lines. So I have a detail line again. So this is the first method, and this one only works for the straight lines. So for example, if I will go now with my detail line and make it, let's say with the radius 500. So you can see that I have some curved edges here. I will make it bigger so you can see it better. Something like this. And I try to use the measure along an element. Again, I will convert it. Go with the tool. And now you can see that it is selecting me only the straight lines and it doesn't select the curved line. So I cannot actually use these for the curved ones. So now there is a second option, and that is to use the Dynamo and Dynamo player. Here under the Manage tab, you have a Dynamo player. You just hit the button. It will open you a new window with the Dynamo player. When it opens, you should see something like this, which is Dynamo player. You can see some Autodesk samples, which should be here from like the installation, because it goes from the Autodesk when you install the Revit 2024 in this case. And you can see here some scripts. And if we will scroll down a little bit, we will see the calculate total length of selected lines script. So I will click on this script. It will open you this window where you can see to select detail and model lines. I will now hide this in view, so we will make selection easier. And now we go with the select. So I will now select all of the lines in Revit. Now you can see that I have total elements 11 selected. Now what you need to do is to just run the script. And when the run is complete, you can see the calculation results here. Selected curves, and the total length in my case is around 65,000 millimeters. So I prefer to use Dynamo player for this because you can use it with the model lines, detail lines, and also with the curved lines. So it doesn't have limitations like the measure along an element tool.